Hi guys, good morning. Today is the 31st. It is Tuesday, and no, I'm sorry, Tuesday the 30th, and I am going to be in a county meeting today. So this is what you're going to need to do today. You're going to complete and check your summative review. You're going to go to our Google page, go into the site, and come down to Lesson 8 Review. Okay, you've already done your Desmos, so that's good. And you've done your formative. This right here starts your review. You have a copy of this in your packet, so I want you to work through and then check those things, okay? And then if you need some extra review, there's the key for the review. Here's some extra videos you might want to review and take notes on. Those are just some good extras. Everyone's always asking for extra things they can do or see. Some other things that you can do. Remember, you've got the radians and degrees maze puzzle you can do. You can also do the coloring activity. I have a sheet with extra practice on it on the shelves under the Ansel Adams print. It just says Unit 9 Extra Practice. I've also got this interactive extra practice here. And you can try the answers and it'll tell you whether you're getting them right or wrong. So there's lots of extra practice you can do. The videos, the 3 sheets, and the interactive practice. If you have any questions, please hit me up through It's Learning, but this should keep you busy all throughout the entire period, and our subs should be super duper happy. All right, guys, let me know if anything's going on, if you need any help, and I hope you have a great day.